deliver my testimony yesterday, but I was supposed to deliver my testimony yesterday, but yes, I could not understand what it was announced here. So I did not wear my uniform yesterday. For that reason, I could not deliver my testimony yesterday. So the whole night, it became a burden for me, so I could not sleep the whole night. That is the reason why I requested to deliver my testimony. From the time we started this orientation program, especially we, the Paitol Corps, from Paitol Corps, we came only 2 persons. But the hospitality we received from Chaltlang Corps, yes, we did not understand Mizo language properly. We are given interpreter so that we could understand what is being taught during this orientation. For that, I thank each and every one of Chaltlang Corps. Especially our commanding officer. That is just a little appreciation from my side. Coming to the point, I have received 3 questions in my mind during this orientation. What? WHAT, what? What? Why? And how? That is the question which I have received during this orientation. As an outreach worker, what are we supposed to do?
Outreach worker
Why are we supposed to do? And most importantly, how are we supposed to do? That is the question which came in my mind. And last night, day before, it was the day 3, the half day night, I have received a Bible verse in my mind. And the Bible verse is Romans chapter 7, verse 20. It is a letter sent by Paul the Apostle. Paul the Apostle, he sent the letter to the Romans. And the Bible verse says, if I do what I do not want to do, if I do what I do not want to do, it is no longer I who did it, but It is sin living in me that does it. Let me explain it. It means whenever we do or whenever we commit a sin, the person who is committing that sin, Paul the Apostle said that whenever I commit a sin or whenever I did something that I don't want to do, the doer is not me. It is the one who is doing the thing from inside me.
Cái thiên thì đủ lâu tới cái thì cho anh thì có bố lên cho anh chú thì chú cái mà cái này là xóa cái mà ông cái chú là ông dâu chú thì
It is the sin.
Xóa cái mà ông chú
It means inside us there is a sin.
Ông sẽ cho cần chú mà hắn xóa nào mà.
And on the other hand, there is good things and bad things inside us.
Chú thì là biết cho cần chú mà hắn thiên trả đầu ông mà.
So what are we supposed to do? Why are we supposed to do? And how are we going to do? The answer we will get from this Bible verse.
Anh vàng thì tôi nghe cái gì anh tiếng thì tôi nghe cái gì sáng nay chú cái Bible trang mà nhà đầu.
How are we supposed to do during this orientation? We have learned so many things. How to do this, how to do that. The answer we have already got during this orientation.
Chú thiếu cần gì đàn tôi chú hệ orientation cái này chú nghe thiếu tắm ta cần gì em tiếng thì tôi nghe em công in nghe cần tiếng tắm ta cái orientation chú nghe cần gì đi.
We are already aware that how we are going to do.
Em tiếng nghe cần thì đón chịu sát cần này to.
The next question is why?
Anh rồi nó đắng lẽ chân nghe thì nghe.
Why are we supposed to do, or why are we supposed to do why are we supposed to walk as outreach worker?
Em vàng nghe tiếng outreach worker anh nghe cần thoáng.
I hope all of us might heard the song. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back. No turning back.
Hey, I can share to Kadina. I have decided Iswazi to ring India Tati Nana share to Kadina.
As we are the follower of Jesus Christ, we have to do it. That is the answer of why.
Iswa Kristazi to Kadina Vamati to Kani Tutu in Vamini Nani.
And the lastly, what?
Ato Benatansuan in
We are supposed to serve, we are supposed to do whatever we have been taught during this orientation program, and that is the answer of what are we supposed to do.
Ini akan tidur tak tidur he orientation akan sih asan nani.
That's all what I can say. Thank you.